Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and I hope you are all staying safe. So if you are new here, hi, my name is Josie and this is my beauty channel. I'm a Ghanaian makeup artist and I am based in Ghana. So please subscribe to my channel and let's grow together. So fam, in this video I'm going to show you how to DIY your own press-on nails, and I did a few nail arts using gel polish. So let's get into this video fam. So fam, I started by wiping my nails with some nail polish remover and I went in to push the cuticle back, and I'm going in now to file the nails, and this will prep the nails for the press on and the glues to adhere together. So fam, this is just a little disclaimer. I am not a nail expert, and so please don't come for me in the comment section. I just love doing my own nails nowadays because of the quarantine and also to save some coins, and so I love to do my own nails, and I am going to show you how I do my nails. And this is going to be a quick tutorial and I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down in the comment section below how you do your nails at home. And so fam, I used a fine file to file my nails, and now I'm going in with a more coarse file to kind of make it a little bit rough, and this will all help the nail or the press-ons to adhere. And so this is the press-on I'm going to be using. It's already colored, so I love the already colored press-on nails because it saves me some time and I don't need to waste time painting my nails before I go in to do any artwork if I want to. So what I just did was to size the nail, and I go ahead to apply it immediately after I finish sizing the nail, and I feel that also helps me to save time. And right now I make sure that I spread the glue before I attach the press onto the nail bed and hold it in place. And in spreading the glue, I make sure that I work fast so that I don't accidentally attach the press-on the wrong side of the nail bed. And I also press it in place just to make sure that I get rid of any air pockets. So fam, I'm going to go ahead now and do the rest of the nails. So fam, I'm going ahead to use a nail clipper to trim the nails to the preferred size, and I'm going for a square shape, and so I'm going to make sure that I file the nails after I trim them. So fam, after filing the nails, I make sure that I dust off all the nail dust that I had from filing the nails, and I'm going to be using these gel colors from CR, and I'm going to take some of that light pink on this metallic plate I have, and I'm also going to take this nudie color, and I'm going to take my nail art tool thing here, and I'm going to create some polka dots. And fam, I got creative here, so just enjoy and make sure you give me a thumbs up. And again, I'm not an expert, I just have fun with my nails, and so I hope you have fun with me. So give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Let me know if you are interested in nail videos as well. So fam, after that creative moment there, I'm going in now to cure the gel art with my LED lamp, and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. Next is to go in with some gel top coat, and I'm going to be using this brand called Cosella. I'm not sure if that's the right pronunciation, but there it is. And I'm going to apply that top coat on all the nails I just did. now to cure that gel top coat for 60 seconds. So fam, I'm going in with some cuticle oil just to take care of my cuticle and also to brighten the nails to make it look luscious, and I'll be back. And that's it for this video fam. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So fam, I'm going to show you a short version of this nails I did. I decided to trim them later on during the week, and just to make me more efficient, because I had a lot of work to do, a lot of chores to do, and so I trimmed it and made them short, and I equally love them just the way they are. And so until I see you in my next video fam, stay safe and never give up. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.